Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use gift card on Brawl Stars. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use gift card on Brawl Stars for any purchases on your Brawl Stars app, so what you can do, you can simply add your gift card to your Google account or your Apple account if you are using an iPhone. So for example here, so I'll open up my Play Store here, so or my Google account, and then I'm going to hit on my Google account here on my top right. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on payments and subscriptions, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my gift card to these. So to do that, I'm going to simply select redeem code, and I'm just going to type in or scan the gift card that I have and then hit on redeem. So once I redeem, this balance will be added to my Google account, and then I'll be able to use this balance from my gift card. Since it's already on my Google account, I'll be able to use it for my in-app purchases. So for example, if I go to any purchases on my Brawl Stars game here, so I can simply, it will be processed through my Play Store which has been topped up with my gift card. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.